The Ninja Blast BC151 portable blender is built for quick blending anywhere, thanks to its rechargeable battery system. If the blender refuses to charge or the battery indicator doesn't respond, the problem is often related to the charging cable, power source, or debris blocking the charging port. In some cases, the device may simply need a short reset to restore normal charging behavior. With a few quick checks, you can usually identify the issue and get the blender charging again. Try these. Step 1. Connect the USB-C charging cable firmly to the blender and a reliable wall adapter or USB power source. Step 2. Check the charging port on the blender for dust or moisture and clean it gently if necessary. Step 3. Try a different USB cable or power adapter to rule out a faulty charger. Step 4. Make sure the blender base and cup are properly aligned, since safety sensors may prevent charging if they are misaligned. Step 5. Press and hold the power button for several seconds to reset the blender, then reconnect the charger and check the battery indicator lights.